Intelligent Design Solar Plumbing and Air is a family-owned business in Tucson, Arizona. We are the #1 rated company in Southern Arizona with over 13,000 five-star reviews online.
Our business consists of 3 different entities. We design, service, and repair air conditioning, solar, and plumbing systems for residential properties. One of the main services that we provide and that customers are asking us for is when they are looking at getting an air conditioning replacement or considering solar, or they just have high electric bills and are trying to figure out what is going on in the home, we always recommend an energy audit. And the reason we do that is there's a lot of things that are using energy in the home, and we try to find the things that are the lowest cost to fix and save the highest amount before we look at considering some of the more expensive things that have a lower yield. So it's always our goal to try and find the lowest cost way for you to accomplish your goals, which is lowering your electric bill. What you can expect when we come into your home is to first sit down at the dining room table and figure out what's going on in your home. Do you have hot and cold pockets in the house? What temperature do you keep the house? What are your electric bills like? What is the orientation of the roof? And once we're done figuring out what's going on in the house and your priorities, what you'd like to solve, then we go and we start doing the energy audit.
Typically, an energy audit will take at least 90 minutes, so plan on that. Beyond that, whatever questions or concerns you have, we're going to stay there as long as we need to make sure that we answer them. After an energy audit is complete, the customer is going to know what is wrong with their home as far as where they're losing energy, and we're going to give them all the solutions that we can offer in order to lower their bills, and then we will be happy to serve them.
Statistically, 90% of systems are installed incorrectly in Arizona. The 4 major issues are duct leakage, oversizing, meaning they're too big and they kick on and off too much, causing shorter life and sooner breakdowns. You also have incorrect refrigerant charge and incorrect airflow. So those 4 major issues, companies are just, we call them box swappers. They're coming in, looking at what you have, swapping it out for another one just like it, and not resolving any of the issues. And what happens with that is you can go and buy a very expensive air conditioner, but if you have even one of these deficiencies, it costs you more efficiency than going from the cheapest unit to the most expensive unit. Now, on the same note, solar companies come in and they just try to overwhelm your bill with as many solar panels as they can. We come at it from a completely different viewpoint. We look at the home 3-dimensionally, and if there's something that we can fix for $100 that would cost you $2,000 in solar, we're going to recommend the $100 fix, lowering the amount of solar you need by $2,000. We're trying to find the way to do it and accomplish your goals for the least amount.
So by now you may be thinking that you want to know where energy is being lost in your home, and we are happy to help. And if you know our commercials, then you know that if your house feels like hell and not heaven, call 888-8787.